Hi, first grade friends. I have a list of words that we're going to be reading. These are all decodable, which means that you should be able to sound them out. Remember, we've been practicing that ALL ending, the word family. All right, I'm going to point to the words and I want you to read them. Wall, all, tall, hall, smaller. Let's look at this one really quick. If you look, we have the base word small, and then we are adding ER. When we add ER to the end of a word, when we have that suffix, we're comparing something to something else. So this is smaller than that. We're comparing it. All right, let's look at this word, basketball, tallest. All right, this is another one, similar to small. We have a new suffix, est. Remember, when we have er or est, we're comparing things. Like I can say that Skylar is tall, I am taller, and Mr. Musial is the tallest. We're comparing. Let's look at this next one. Stall. This one everybody knows. I know that. Ball and hallway. All right, for the next activity, you're going to need your whiteboard or a piece of paper. We're going to do our words and sentences. All right, the first word. Ready?
Tallest. That skyscraper is the tallest building in our city. Tallest.
Okay, we had to have that new ending. Tallest.
Hall. Please be quiet when you're walking down the hall. Hall.
Hall. Hall.
Wall. Hang the picture on the wall. Wall.
Wall. Wall.
Ball. Throw me the tennis ball. Ball.
Ball. Ball.
All. You are all on the team. All.
All. All.
Hallway. We heard a noise in the hallway. Hallway.
Hallway. Hallway. Don't forget, first graders, you can always pause the video if I'm going a little bit too fast for you. All right, let's do the sentences. We're going to listen. I'm going to play it twice for you, and then I'll repeat it, and you write it down.
She played ball in the hall. She played ball in the hall.
She played ball in the hall. How many words? 6 words. Pause the video if you need to, and then unpause it when you're ready to check your work. She played ball in the hall. Did you remember your capital letter? What about the ED after the word play? Remember, when we have a word that ends in ED, that means it already happened. So this is something that happened in the past. Did you remember your period? All right, let's listen to the next one.
The basketball hit the wall. The basketball hit the wall.
The basketball hit the wall. Pause it if you need to. Okay, did you start with a capital T? And were you able to make that word basketball one word? That's a compound word, so we shouldn't have any separation between them. And the period for the end of the sentence. All right, friends, great job. I'll see you next time.